So at the end of the video, I'm gonna put how many of these guys I scrapped and how much money I made. And again, like just a recap, you got your DVD drive, you open these guys up, you have a nice little board. Actually, let me open one up for you quickly. So there you go. So this little board here, when you open it up, it's worth some money. The prices are all on boardsort.com. Tells you exactly how much it's worth. Take these out, scrap the rest for metal. Get your hard drives. Like I said, you can take them apart. If you take them apart, you have your aluminum. You have your little board here. It's worth $4 or $5. You have the platters inside and the motors inside. That's all on eBay. With the magnets. And even the little screws here, I've been collecting them, and you might be able to get $10 for a good chunk of screws, maybe like 200 screws. That's how I sell them. So, well, not specifically on hard drives. I don't take the hard drives apart, but when I take other things apart, I always keep their screws if they're special type of screws, and I sell them. Like all the PC screws, these little guys here. Hold down motherboards and all that stuff. I keep them because people buy them. I usually sell them in lots of 100 or 200 or 12 ounces worth, and I get about $10 for them. So keep your screws because you can easily sell them. Then you got your heat sinks, either aluminum or like this guy here, with a little more because there's some copper. You got your fans, 20 cents a pound, or if you do like me, you collect them, sell 20 of them and get $20 for them. You get your motherboards, you can take them apart. You have your copper, gold, aluminum, you have your gold connector things. You open them up, get the gold out, little battery, obviously the monolithic capacitors, and tantalum capacitors also. Those are pretty popular. You get your IC chips. So you can take all of this stuff out and make a little extra money if you have the time for it through processing gold and palladium and aluminum and all that other good stuff, or sell it like this and get about $1.50 a pound. What else do we have? And get a nice chunk of metal. Get nice wire. You're good to go and you're making money. So at least another hour or so of scrapping, and I'll let you know how it ends up at the end of the video, how much money I made off of all of these. So like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys soon.